actress Eve Esin, na Nigerian actress, wahala don't dey for this girl head because now they don't talk say she carry another woman children go hide and she no gree release them. Wahala. My people, now welcome to the Aproko Show. My name is Aproko. Yes, the matter where I bring una today now for one Nigerian actress. I dey show say many of una go know this woman. Very fine woman, very known everywhere. They know her. Now she dey date one producer. His name na Chijioke. And that man, according to matter wey reach me, they say the man don already get another woman wey get children for him. But he no even marry this woman. I no even know, this matter just dey very complicated. He no marry this woman, he get children with her, and now he don't go carry another one. According to news now, they talk say Eve don't carry the woman children, and now she they even put things for the man head, make the man no give that woman children attention. My people, now true, abi no be true. We go soon find out. Now no say nothing they hide on that sun. Now the matter where they grand now, I be help me put this celebrity picture for now we no Eve. Now she be that. And now her matter they ground like this. My people, celebrities wahala no they finish. Even inside movie, they get drama. Outside movie, they still get drama. Hey, no easy to be actor. Now, Madam Eve, I be even. I don't even know what I go even call you. The thing, if truly what they talk, na true, you think say good, you carry person children. Ha! Are they very disappointed? And I know what even they pay me for this case. I beg, see, put that man picture, Mr. Chijioke, I be what they call him. Una don't compare the two. See how as this girl fine. See who she go. What una women, what una like to dey minimize una self. And if person insult una now, una talk say they don't insult una. Now this one can't carry her two legs. See where she go end. See, make una no vex. Because this matter they do me something for body. Look now, and they can't talk say the man they call him children bastard. Say the man no they pay school fees. The man no they check up on the children. Many things. Why? They say that because of this lady. They say now she they put things for this man head. And I see later now they go talk. They go come they shout, romantic movie. See them. If you see this girl for movie where she they do love, to do love go they hungry you. Now see, now she come they go destroy another person home. Which kind? Why una dey like this? Every day na the same story. Una no feel be like Mercy Johnson. See Mercy Johnson marry, like no. When una hear Mercy Johnson matter before, no nah. When una hear or Omotola. Be responsible. Now people like that are they like. I beg, see, before social media, how people they solve their matter? Before social media, now everybody don't they come outside, they discuss. Even person pants wait here, they go come outside, come talk for social media. But before social media exists, people know they get wahala. Why now una don't they bring all the dirty things on social media? Now wow, ladies, I bet for una way get man, una way never marry but get boyfriend still hold them tight because people like this, if they just jam your man, your own don't finish. Yeah, because now they look all those girls way fair, all those girls way fine. If you know they careful, they go just carry your man away. So make una shine on her eye. Madam Uche, your own, I don't even understand because if you see how this woman anyway. See, I don't want they say I decide person, but she safe. They no marry her now. She come outside, they shout like that. They never even marry you, and the way she they talk because before when I first hear this gist, I been thinking say now your wife we come they fight say person don't carry her husband. Now later I even find out say they don't even marry her. Women, our wahala no fit finish for this life. Anyhow, my people, make a live in a year with this one, but I still want to know what you they think. Oh, don't forget to drop them for down there.